Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out Cocoon Mydata rewards, and you're wondering, can you really profit from your data, right? Can you make money just by downloading this app and letting it run in the background? How much money can you really make? Is this really worth your time? That's a big question, okay? Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 every single month, 100% from home, just from your computer, just go ahead and click the link below. I'll send you that strategy for free straight to your email. You can check that out if you want, all right? Now, I've reviewed hundreds of different ways to make money online, a lot of different apps, a lot of different websites, a lot of different business models, and some of them are okay, some of them are pretty good, but a lot of them don't really pay out that much money. So let's see if Cocoon is a good use of your time, or are there better ways for you to leverage your time to make money on the internet, okay? Now, Cocoon is basically a global data app that allows you to monetize your data by just letting it run in the background, all right? So it's pretty cool. There are quite a few apps like this, and instead of letting companies take your data for free, they're allowing you to basically sell your data to them so that they can use that information, sell it to different people that they need to in the marketplace, and they give you a little bit of that money back. That's kind of how it works, all right? Now, if you decide to use them and let you use them, right? Let me just scroll down here so you can have a look. You can download it for free on the Androids on the Google Play Store, or for Apple devices on the Apple App Store, okay? This is a global app, which is pretty cool. It works better in certain countries compared to others, right? So you will make a little bit more money if you're in different parts of the world. Like if you're based in the US, you'll probably make a little bit more than if you lived in a small little country in Asia like Pakistan, for example, right? Just because of the amount of data that certain companies want based on where you're located in the world. Now, if you decide to use them, they will be using your geolocation data. That's very important for you to understand. So when you download the app, they will ask you, are you okay with us using your geolocation data? We're going to be selling your data in terms of your location, the apps you use, and your browsing history. That's really important to understand, okay? So you will be giving some of your privacy away, but they're not obviously going to touch things like your contacts, your contact details, your passwords, your username, your credit card information, nothing like that, okay? It's more just about what you're doing, what you're browsing, what you're buying, the apps that you're downloading, and the location that you travel to, wherever you are in your country, or if you travel abroad. They're going to use that information, okay? So if you're not comfortable with that, don't download Cocoon, okay? But if you are okay with that, and you're okay with them selling that information, the way that this works is basically you'll run this app in the background. Okay, and as you run the app, for the next, few months, years, whatever it is, they're going to take that data, they're going to collate it, and then they're going to sell it to different companies, and they make money and they're going to pay it back to you, right? So the big question is how much money do you make as a user of Cocoon for selling your data, okay? Now here's the thing, when you go on the website, if you look at some of these screenshots, it looks pretty big, right? It's like $33. It looks like you're going to make it this, every single month, all right? But you're not. Okay, so here's like 15, 40, and you're not so sure. It says for 23 days, you're not gonna make this much money. All right, now if you're very, very lucky, and if you read the fine print, you'll see that it really depends on what country you're in. If you're in a high volume country where they are focused on collecting most of their data from, like let's just say you're in a very specific part of the US, or you're in a very specific part of the UK, you might be able to earn a little bit more than the rest of the world. But on average, for the rest of the world, especially for data apps like this, because I've reviewed quite a few of these data apps, right? They can't pay you that much for your data, okay? It's gonna run in the background, and they're going to use that data, but you can expect to make probably only a few dollars a month, okay? So these numbers right here are very misleading. $20 here, which looks like you're going to make 20 bucks a month. $33 here looks like you're going to make $33 per month. It is highly, highly unlikely that you are going to make this kind of money, because with most data apps in the marketplace, the competitive ones anyway, they only pay about $5 a month. Maybe, if you're really, really lucky, $10 a month, but don't expect to earn any more than that, okay? They can't pay you more than that because they're taking very little, information from you. And remember that they've got a lot of people using this app, right? So they can't possibly pay that much money out to that many people, all right? Now, the way it works is they've got a $5 threshold, and they pay out through PayPal. And it's going to take you a while to add up to $5. You might not even make that in a month. It might take you 2 or 3 months before you make even the $5 threshold for you to withdraw it into PayPal. All right, but it's pretty cool. They pay it into PayPal, and that's kind of how it works. All right, so pros and cons of this app, right? First of all, it's free. That's a pro. It is legit, which is definitely a pro, right? They really do pay out. It's a pro. They pay out through PayPal, which is a pro. Their threshold is pretty low, you know, it's $5, but it's going to take you a while to reach $5 just because of the nature of the way that data apps pay out, right? It might take you 1 month, it might take you 3 months before you even reach $5, okay? What are some of the downsides? Some of the downsides are that it doesn't really pay you that much money, okay? So even though it is free, which is definitely a pro, it pays you so little that you have to ask yourself the question, is this worth your time putting it on your phone to maybe make a few dollars a month for a company to sell your data? I mean, for me, yes, even though it's free and it's not really doing anything, it's so little money that it's not even really worth my time. That's what I think, right? I think that there are better ways, better apps, better strategies for you to make much bigger income. Okay, we'll talk about that in a second. But if you want to check them out, it is free. Okay, so you can check out Cocoon Mydata Rewards right here at the Google Play Store. You can download it here, or you can download it at the App Store. All right. Now, if you're watching this video right now, maybe you're looking for, you know, some better strategies to generate full-time income, bigger income, something that will really change your life, right? We're talking about thousands of dollars a month, not $5 a month, right? And if you would like to do that, and that's the direction that you're moving towards, I've got a strategy that I can teach you how to do if you're interested. My favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 every single month, 100% from home. You don't even have to leave the house. You just need your computer and your internet connection. Go ahead and click on the link below. I'll send you that strategy for free straight to your email. You can check that out. All right. I hope you enjoyed this review of Cocoon Mydata Rewards, and I hope to see you on another product review. Take care.